Today we're going to learn about English synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are exactly opposite. Uh, yes, synonyms are exactly same meaning words. Exactly same meaning words. And we're going to see some examples. Firstly, we have car. So it is gonna be vehicle. The next is forest. So it is gonna be words. The next is end. So it is gonna be conclude or conclusion. So we are gonna write conclude. Conclude. The next is begin. The next is begin. So it is gonna be initiate. The next example we see here is help. So it is gonna be assist. When we help someone, we assist someone. Okay? Assist. The next is show. So it is gonna be display. Okay? Display. The next is buy. So it is gonna be purchase. Show is display, buy is purchase. The next example we see here is think. So it is gonna be reflect. Buy, purchase, think, reflect. Okay? The next is fix. So it is gonna be restore. When we fix someone, we restore the thing. The next is beautiful. So it is gonna be attractive. Okay, attractive. The next is chef. So it is gonna be culinarian. Okay, it's a tough one. The next is waiter. So it is gonna be attendant. Chef, culinarian. It's a very tough one. Okay, I'm gonna mark it. The next is waiter. So it is gonna be attendant. The next is baker. So it is gonna be pastry chef. So it is gonna be pastry chef. Baker is called pastry chef. The next is cleaner. So it is gonna be house or home keeper. Okay. The next you see here is manager. So it is gonna be supervisor. Supervisor. Here you go, supervisor. The next is assistant. Assistant. So it is gonna be secretary. Secretary. These were the English synonyms, exactly same meaning words. I hope so you understood it well. Bye for today.